Sketch a graph of y is equal to the absolute value of 3x minus 2, stating the coordinates of any points where the graph meets the axis. Find the complete set of values for which 3x minus 2 is less than or equal to 4 minus x. Right, so first we need to sketch just y is equal to 3x minus 2. So that is quite easy. If we use y is equal to mx plus c, then we know it goes through this point here at minus 2. And then a gradient of 3 means for every one along I go 3 up. So that'll be the next point. Every one along I go 3 up. And then we should be able to draw it. And then to get the absolute value function of 3x minus 2, that any part which is below the x-axis, so this point here will become 0, 2, gets reflected, so the graph will look like that. And obviously you need to draw that bit in, so that V source sign there is the graph of absolute value of 3x minus 2. Now to find this particular point here where it cuts the x-axis, we can put 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, and therefore 3x is equal to 2, therefore x is equal to 2 over 3. So we'll mark that point on, because we're asked to write the points where it cuts the axis. So write down the equation of the graph, so y is equal to the absolute value of 3x minus 2. Right, to solve the inequality, 3x minus 2 is less than or equal to 4 minus x, there are two methods we can do. The graphical method, so if we draw our graph of the absolute value of 3x minus 2, and then on that, if we now draw the graph of 4 minus x, so that think of it as minus x plus 4, so it goes through 4, and then a gradient of minus 1 is 1 along, 1 down. Then this is the graph of y is equal to 4x minus 4 minus x. Now, where is this graph lower than this graph? And that's going to be from here up until this particular point here. So we can read some values of our graph. So this point here is minus 1, and this point here is 1.5. And therefore we can say that x has to be greater or equal to minus 1, or less than or equal to 1.5, where x belongs to a set of real numbers. Now, more powerful is obviously to use an algebraic method. So solving algebraically, we've got x is less than 2/3. This is a critical point here. So less than this particular value, 2/3, the value of 3x minus 2 is negative. So you put a minus sign in front of it and solve 3x minus 2 is less than or equal to 4 minus x. You follow the normal rules. So expanding the bracket, minus 3x, and minus makes plus 2 is less than 4 minus x. If you if you take 4 over here, you get minus 2. Take the 3x to this side, you get 2x, and then divide by 2, you're going to get x is greater or equal to minus 1, which is that particular point there. And then for values of x greater than 2 over 3, then this is going to be positive, therefore it behaves like 3x minus 2 is less than or equal to 4 minus x. Solving that, we're just going to get that 4x is less than or equal to 6. Divided by 4, we get x is less than or equal to 1.5. So again, we get x belonging to a set of real numbers, x being between minus 1 and 1.5 inclusive. So this has been a video to show you how to sketch a simple absolute value function and then solve an absolute value inequality either using a graphical method or an algebraic method. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.